In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and stream using Restream with OBS Studio. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, this will help ensure your broadcast goes smoothly across all platforms. Let's dive right in. Starting off from your Restream dashboard, you're going to kick things off by creating a new stream. Click on the New Stream option and select Encoder, RTMP, from the list. This choice is crucial as it allows you to toggle multiple streaming platforms on or off, depending on where you wish to broadcast. Next, you'll want to toggle on the channels where you wish to stream. Restream supports a variety of platforms, so make sure you've selected all the ones your audience frequents. Once you've chosen your channels, it's time to get that vital RTMP, stream key information. You'll find this under the server URL and key section. Be sure to copy this information accurately, because it's like the address and password combined for your stream. Now, let's switch gears to OBS Studio. Open OBS and navigate to the Settings panel, then click on Stream. Here, you have a choice for the Service option. If you see Restream.io, go ahead and select it. Alternatively, if you choose Custom, remember to carefully paste the server URL and stream key you just copied from Restream. After entering this information, click OK to save your settings. At this point, within OBS, you need to set up your video and audio scenes. This is where you can get creative. Decide on your scenes and sources, which can include your camera, mic, and screen captures, all depending on what sort of content you plan to share. Dive into the settings once more and head over to Output. Here, you'll want to select Advanced for the output mode, as it gives you more control. Restream recommends a rate control setting of CBR, which stands for constant bitrate, and a keyframe interval of 2 seconds. These settings ensure that your stream remains stable and high quality. While you're still in Settings, visit the Advanced section, and for optimum streaming compatibility, set the color format to NV12 and the color space to 709. This ensures your stream is visually smooth and accurate across different devices. With everything configured, it's time to go live. Back in Restream, double-check that all the channels you want to broadcast to are active. Then, head back to OBS and click Start Streaming. OBS will send your stream through Restream, which will handle broadcasting your content to all the platforms you've chosen. Finally, as your stream goes live, keep an eye on your Restream dashboard. This is where you can monitor the status of your stream, check viewer counts, and interact with your audience via chat. And there you have it, a seamless way to stream across multiple platforms using Restream and OBS Studio.